Today, we are going to learn about subtracting two-digit numbers using base 10 blocks. Our words to know. The first one is place value mat, where it shows you tens and ones, the two different place values that we are working with today. And your second word to know is subtract, or taking away.
Find 31 minus 14.
So our subtraction problem for right now is 31 minus 14.
What number is shown in the place value mat?
So when we look at the place value mat, we're going to look at our tens and our ones. We have 3 in the tens place and 1 in the ones place. 10, 20, 30, 31. So 31 is shown in the place value mat.
The 3 tens and 1 1 show 31. Why do you need to regroup to find 31 minus 14?
Well, let's see. As always, we look to the ones whenever we subtract or add. In our ones column, we have 1 minus 4. That would mean that if you had 1 of something, I would try to take 4 from you. I can't do that now, can I? Absolutely not. I cannot take 4 away from just 1. Just like if we looked in our ones column, I can't take away 4 from this one little block. So we have to regroup our tens into our ones place.
You need to regroup because there are not enough ones to subtract. 4 ones is more than 1 1.
Like I said, you can't take away more than what you already have.
Regroup 1 10 as 10 ones.
So what they did is they took away one 10 rod and broke it up into 10 ones.
How do the cubes show the regrouping? It shows trading 1 10 for 10 ones. How is regrouping shown in the subtraction frame?
So they took one 10 and turned it into 10 ones. So now let's see how many ones we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we have 11 ones, and we only have 1, 2 tens. So when we go to the subtraction frame, we have to change our numbers to make it match our place value mat.
Write 2 to show 2 tens. Write 11 to show 11 ones.
So now it matches our place value mat. We have 2 tens and 11 ones, 2 tens and 11 ones.
Subtract the ones.
Our subtraction problem in our ones column is no longer 1 minus 4. Now it's 11 minus 4. So if we subtract 11 minus 4, we're going to find our answer for our ones place.
What do the crossed out cubes in the ones place show?
Well, we know that whenever you see something crossed out in a subtraction problem, it means that you've taken those away. So they took away 4 cubes.
They show the number of ones to subtract. Now look at the subtraction frame. What does the dotted 7 show? It shows that 11 minus 4 is 7.
So we took away 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. And that matches with our answer over here, our difference in our ones column.
Subtract the tens.
Our problem in our tens column is now 2 minus 1.
Why is there a crossed out 10 tower? It shows the 10 to subtract. How many tens are left? There is 1 10 left. So 31 minus 14 equals 17. Now you know how to use models to subtract two-digit numbers with regrouping.
Great, now that we've done our interactive video, we're going to go ahead and do some practice problems. So we're going to do a couple more subtraction problems practicing with regrouping. 32, excuse my handwriting, minus 17. So we have to look in our ones column. We have to look. 7 is on the floor. It is the higher number. That means I have to borrow from the tens place in order to have enough. If we go over to our base 10 blocks over here, we'll see that we only have 2 ones. We have to take away 7. We can't do that. So I need to take away from the tens column. So I just broke up that 10 into 10 ones. Now I have to subtract. Let's go back over to our other problem. Our problem in the ones column is 2 minus 7. But now, instead of 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Our 2 has now become a 12 in the ones, because as you can see from our place value mat, we have 12 ones. But now we have less tens as well. We only have 1, 2 tens. So my 3 becomes 2. So now we match. We have 2 tens here, 2 tens here, 12 ones here, 12 ones here. So we can do our subtraction now. I have to take away 7 ones from our problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 remaining ones. Now let's go over our tens. Our problem in our tens column is 2 minus 1. I have 2 tens. I have to take away 1 10. That leaves me with 1 10 left over. So our original problem was 32 minus 17. We did our subtraction and our regrouping and got 15. You can see that our 15 matches over here in our place value blocks as well as over here in our place value mat. So that is how you subtract using base 10 blocks and regrouping.